Hello, when it comes to the environment with explosive dust, say hello to the ESD R10 single phase explosion-proof vacuum cleaner. It's the ultimate solution you will be looking for.
Certified by CQFT, explosion-proof, high-pressure foam, runs stably for 24 hours non-stop. Quiet yet powerful, equipped with two electrostatic conductive filters.
With a filtering area of 21,600 square centimeters and a precision of 0.3 micrometers.
Its patented dual cross reserve flow filter cleaning works without shutting down.
Fully made of metal, it's electrostatic, conductive, and impact resistant. The rotatable metal suction port is easy to install. The 60-liter upper-lower separate material collection tank just pull out the lower part to dump materials easily. Static conductive collapse and chains prevent static sparks.
The ESD R10 is your trustworthy choice for safe and efficient cleaning.